Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie with the Appomattox Regional Library System, coming to you with our latest take-home craft. So what you want to do is start by tracing your child's hand on the green sheet of paper, or if they're a little older, they can probably trace their own. And then go ahead and cut their hand out. Once they're happy with their hand, they can start laying out their pieces. With projects like this that have a lot of pieces and are really open-ended, I really like to encourage children to lay out their pieces first so they can look and see how they look on their project and decide if they want to space out the hair more or how they want their hat to be placed. Speaking of hats, go ahead and draw a triangle on your black sheet of paper. I like to give it a little bit of a curve, but you don't have to. And place that and see if you like where your hair is in relation to your hat. Next, pick the eyes you like and cut those out. And once you've done that, it's time to start assembling your witch. I like to start by putting the little belt across the hat, glue the yellow paper right there on the hat, and then cut off any excess. This just makes it so much easier. Next, go ahead and glue down your hair just like you laid it out before. And just do both sides like that. And then when you're happy with how your hair looks, go ahead and glue your hat right on top. I had to fix my hair just a little bit. It popped back off. And then glue down your eyes. And then go ahead and do a nose and a smile. This craft can be picked up at any of our locations until we run out.